I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by mixing dry and wet separately because texture matters. Start with 2 cups flour, 1/2 cup sugar, and 1/2 tsp salt. Cream 1/2 cup butter with 1 egg until light. This traps air to replace baking soda's lift. Once light, add 1 tsp vanilla and 2 tablespoon milk to loosen the dough. Combine gently so you don't overwork gluten. Use a spatula to fold the wet into the dry until cohesive, not sticky. Now you shape and chill, because without baking soda you need structure from cold fat. Form the dough into a disc, wrap tightly in plastic, and chill 30 to 60 minutes. This firms the butter and reduces spread. Once chilled, flour your surface lightly and roll to 1/4 inch thickness. Make sure to rotate the dough to keep even thickness. Cut shapes with a cookie cutter, transfer to a parchment-lined sheet, and leave one between cookies for minimal spreading. You finish by baking and adjusting if needed. Preheat oven to 350 degrees and bake 8 to 10 minutes, watching for lightly golden edges that signals doneness without overbrowning. Once out, cool cookies 2 minutes on the sheet so they set, then transfer to a rack to finish cooling. This prevents breakage. If cookies come out flat, chill your dough longer next time or reduce butter by 1 tablespoon to control spread. Those fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.